How to amend a tax return on Turbotax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can amend a tax return on Turbotax. For this, you can open up any web browser and head over to turbotax.intuit.com, or you can also open up the Turbotax app on your device. Then you want to tap on the sign in option to be logged into your account. Here, you want to enter your phone number, email, or user ID, then tap on the sign in option. After that, you will have to enter the password. Now tap on the continue option. Now, if on TurboTax you have already filed your tax return but you need to change it because you have made some mistakes, then there are some things you have to remember. If you have already filed your tax, you cannot get the return back, but what you can do is amend your tax return and file it again. You might need to file an amended return if any of the following are true. You got more documents or tax forms in the mail, you need to correct something on your return, you need to add or remove a dependent, or you want to take another credit or deduction you didn't take the first time. Now, if any of these statements are true, then you can amend your return. Before that, you have to make sure that you got your refund or paid your taxes due from the original filed return. You want to make sure the government doesn't get confused with your money, so the original return needs to be squared away before you amend. Secondly, print a copy of your original return and have it by your side when you start to amend. Thirdly, you can amend this year's tax return only with this year's version of TurboTax. If you want to amend your return from a prior year, you want to use that year's version of TurboTax. Now, to start your amended return, you want to go back into TurboTax, open the return that you already sent in, and on the first page you see, click on the link to amend your return. Now you can edit the details over there. Then follow the on-screen instructions to file your amended return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.